Forget hypotheticals for a moment. Right now, as we speak, silver has surged to an all-time high. That's not a coincidence. This precious metal surge is the market's way of telling us that big investors are already betting on an easy money world where cash is less valuable. This outlook is certainly backed up by the biggest forecast out there. Tom Lee, the co-founder of Fundstrat, is calling for Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high by the end of January 2026. That's a huge aggressive call, and it's all tied to one massive event. We all know what it is, the Fed rate cut. The entire market is focused on the Federal Reserve's meeting on the December 10th. We are seeing near 90% probability, that's 9-0, that the Fed will cut interest rates by that crucial quarter point 25 basis points. Well, so why does this matter? Simply put, it's the end of expensive money. The economy is cooling, inflation is settling, and the Fed is pivoting to keep things stable. When rates drop, cash loses its appeal, and investors are forced to move capital out of savings and into assets that promise growth. So, where does that cash flood go? It flows straight to the high-growth sectors, tech and AI stocks. These companies, which are constantly innovating, rely on cheap borrowing to fund their big ideas. When rates drop, it's like giving them a massive discount on their future growth. A rate cut is pure rocket fuel for the AI rally, making those high-flying stocks even more attractive. Bitcoin Treasury DAT companies. These are the firms that hold huge piles of Bitcoin on their balance sheets. When the Fed cut rates, it strengthens the whole narrative that liquidity is back and the dollar will weaken. When the price of Bitcoin jumps, these company stocks often see leveraged explosive gains, soaring much higher than the coin itself. So, let's connect the dots. The silver all-time high shows the pivot is already happening. The Fed cut provides the cheap cash that cash drives tech and AI stocks and propels Bitcoin, which in turn launches the DAT company stocks into orbit, all leading to the massive new all-time high Tom Lee is predicting for early 2026. It's a powerful chain reaction.